Second game po natin, our team against Light Blue. So, kailangan po nilang malampasan yung score ng losing team. Pagka sino ang pupunta tayo dito, kailangan po mas mataas doon sa losing team kanina para po sila yung maging third place. And next game, proceed po tayo sa championship game. Sino po ang mag-proceed sa ating championship game? Young boy. First ball possession. Makakuha naman ng Rasul. La Cuesta. La Cuesta. Kaya lang, wala kaya. Number 2. Number 19 minutes na mo. Makakuha naman ng pula. Number 30. Pass to number... Number 1. Nice pass to number 1. Out of bounds, beautiful. Brennan. Attacking the basket, finds number 19, spins. Hindi pa pasok ang tira, malilibang number 5, pass to Asanjo. Asanjo, nagtuloy. Lose the ball.
Papanoodin lang namin at gagawa namin yung balita.
Number 22. 5-16, good back number 9, wala. 12 seconds to shoot. Nakakulit na ata. La Cuesta. Getting the first point of our ball game. Number 5, Sian. Loses the ball. Out of bounds. Blue ball.
Paano tayo picture na yun?
There. Beautiful pass. To the easy 2 points. Number 15. Pass to number 2. Asanjo, face. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Yan na. Nice play.
Kuha ka rin ng picture. Kuha ka rin ng mga picture.
Pass number 26, number 26. Pinapayong ang dalawang kanala. Force shot. Nakakuha number 13. Number 13, now in transition. 3 against 2. Nice pass from the right. All 4. Number 22. Hands swing. Pass to number 9. 15. Pass to number 31. Back to number 58. Number 15.
Gawa.
Number 13. Pass to Azarnon. 43, wala. Matadapot na number 22 ang
Puno
bola.
tayo sa puto ng pwede.
Number 22. Nice pass. To number 19. Out of bounds. Out of front. Ooh. Miscommunication out there. Change 5. Change 5.
Opo.
Change 5 po. Bola na blue, bola na blue. Right na ball. Number 28. Katakuta. Wants to dance. Penetrates. In out to number 81. The Hurt. Nasakta na. Number 28. Humigit and
Shoot!
Basket down para kay number 28. Foul number 18. Atienza has his first personal foul. Team foul.
Kunin mo, kunin mo. Kunin mo.
28. Another draw. Line violation. Tusok ko ba rin? Okay, tusok na. Yung mga nasa treatment line ko, pag napapalang ko ng ring bag, paano ko kayo pwede pumasok? Second chance, wala. Rebound ni number 18. Ngayon, simulan natin yung una. Number 0. So, Atienza. Dalun. Nakakuha ni number 28. Atakutan. Nice pass again. Number 0. Finds an opening. Hindi pumasok ang tira. Mairiwan ng number 12. Second chance from number 5 is good. Number 28. Utang ang bola. The 22. Pass number 27. Almost pag-acquired. And a foul to behind by number 27. Foul number 27, Harold, on his first personal foul, first team foul. Number 0. Still controlled by number 31. Number 27, scores on their team. 27 pala, sorry. 27. Number 0, penetrates. Right shot, right shot. Back to number 12. Fourth time is no good, but there's a foul. To be number 11.
6-7.
That is first personal foul, second team foul. Number 12 down on the free throw line. Trying to cut down the lead of the lead. First one, second one. Takutan, tikit lang ang pensa. Buntusu, pass to number 27. Iso Patira, iwan number 18, transition. At tumanlalaro sa salunod. There's a foul, lucky foul again by number 11. That's the second personal foul, third team foul. Two shots on number 18. Yes, ball. First one, good. Second throw. To the base, but number 0 is there. Secure the shot. Second pass is there.
Tapos na first quarter. Second quarter na.
1 minute and 41 seconds.
Leading.
Sa ating opening quarter.
Paano pose? Pose.